indexed by these primary qualities, which have no, which are inaccessible to imagination, which have no imaginative content, then how can there be a certain style? So it's just to register that there's already a kind of dramatization or a narrativization that's going on within the philosophical reflection on these ideas already. And whether that necessarily has to be Gothic or not is a different question. But there's already a kind of a rhetoric, a style, a tone that happens in this work, which is an interesting thing in itself, I think. And I'd like to mention what perhaps is a rather obvious point, which is that the awareness that human life will only last a finite amount of time is being pressed on us in the last few decades so intensively and so repeatedly. Not necessarily that we have to subscribe to the most severe predictions of ecological scientists, or indeed their amplification by a kind of hysterical media, or a media who needs to generate hysteria. But the very cultural omnipresence of these possibilities, the faltering of this kind of repression, the repression of the knowledge that human beings are organic beings dependent on this this planetary network, the fact that this can no longer be repressed and is present in culture all the time, has irrevocably turned thought towards its material to support, towards the tenuous network that suspends it above its object and stalls its descent into the